was some sort of sea creature. Buddy, you got your coat on. Buddy, come back. Let's take it off if you want to go in the water. Wait a minute. Come here. Okay, now you can go to sea. Did you think it was a seal? Did you? No, it's just a rock. We've been up in the woods in a lovely circular walk. We'll leave the seal behind.
Go find it, bud. Find it. What is it? Buddy, what's that? Find it.
He said Poppy's embarrassed herself already by thinking it was a... Harry's embarrassed himself by thinking it was a seal. Water everywhere. Water coming down. So we've been up in the woods, and even though it's 2 hours after high tide, it's still a very high tide. I think we're just going to make it back without having to shoot back up into the woods again. So we've got bonfire night and full moon tonight. I think it's the harvest moon. Come on, bud! Bring your sticky! You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I'm so lucky. And we're all so wet. But that's part of living in Wales. I hope you have a wonderful day, all of you. And don't get too soggy if you're at work outside. I'm thinking of you. Sending love from me and all the pack.